나무 관세음보살, 남아 관세음보살. 와, 약사고. Ah, you from India? India से आया है?
미국 사람.
미국 사람 है? You speak Hindi? थोड़ा हिंदी आती है. I lived in Mumbai for 3 years, so
wow.
I learned Hindi and Marathi.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So you're doing here as a scientist?
Yeah, we're doing
Research, financial or engineering?
economics.
Economics. Quant?
Yeah.
I studied at IIT Chicago, Illinois Institute of Chicago, graduate school of Stewart graduate school there.
Wow.
Near CME and near CME.
Yeah.
That's about 22 years ago. I retired from bank.
Oh, I see.
I'm doing this.
Are you affiliated with Jogyesa here?
Today I'm staying here as a temple stay. Just a one night temple stay. So they have these programs. Yeah. I'm a tourist guide, certified. So they're giving me the free temple stay and this opportunity to film this beautiful temple. So I enjoy this.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Have you ever traveled to India?
Yeah.
Where?
My parents are from the south of India, Chennai.
Chennai. Pondicherry, Chennai. That's very beautiful.
Yeah.
That's a famous temple, Hindu temple there,
Meenakshi.
There's a Chennai, not Madurai or
Madurai.
Yeah. I traveled there year 2007 and 8. I traveled 1 month in Tamil Nadu, or Karnataka and this Kerala, 3 states.
Yeah.
Which state you from?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. D.C. I retired from bank named KB, Kookmin Bank.
Oh.
And I set up a representative office in Mumbai in year 2011, I think. 11, 12, yeah. Alone or with your family?
We're here on a fellowship usually.
For short period of time?
Yeah, initially a short period of time. Yeah. Do you stay in Seoul? Or are you from Seoul?
used to live in Seoul, but I moved to Gyeongwang City, near Anyang City. After retiring, I moved to smaller city. It's a lot better. So you speak Tamil?
Yeah.
Nandari, because I served Indian government officials last year. Kotra invited government officials, intellectual property related officials.
Yeah.
So I escort them to Daejeon.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Daejeon City, we have a decentralized government office there, right? IP sector there. So these are 4 people from Chennai. So I remember I have the WhatsApp group.
Message, yeah, from
Still I have. And one of them says her daughter is a BTS army. And she said her daughter celebrate the birthday of Jungkook, the 1st of September, the member of Jungkook, and October Jimin's birthday. That's what she said. I'm surprised.
I think we're gonna head out now, but it was really lovely meeting you. Yes.
Have a nice day.
Yes. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.